That's Reuben. Met him 2 nights ago. Went out last night. Went to this fantastic place with a lot of people that might or might not have been naked in a sketchy part of Bogota. But we bonded, so it's all good. Reuben lost his credit card at the strip club.
Maybe.
Dude, OXXO is the best. Only way to cure a hangover is with the beer.
You gotta.
Oh.
Do you not know that trick?
Mid-hangover interview.
Beer's doing the trick. I would say this is a medical beer.
Spoken like a true Englishman. Yeah. Number 2. 8 hours later, we're back at the strip club.
I hope not. For my sake and yours. You gotta get that guy on camera.
No.
Yeah. Is the police just of the beer? They came and they told you like get away.
How much would you give like if you got caught doing something bad, like smoking weed or something?
If they look at you and they look that you are, you know, that you don't have too much money, but well, maybe you have that day, you woke up and you got a little of money in your pocket.
If I get to the point.
You can give like from 20 to 30. They can say to you like, well, that's not enough. You have to at least give me 40 or I grab you to the OXXO.
You're gonna give a homeless guy ramen? How is he gonna cook it? We're just supposed to go to the grocery store. That's on YouTube, but...
Ay, no me digas, ¿en serio?
Sí.
Estamos muy famoso.
Oh my gosh.
Take me a photo.
Oh my... Shit!
I? Yeah, like like you say insect.
I think it means I'm gonna get coronavirus and die.
Oh, I get it. Montañada.
Oh, we can.
Guys, we gotta get the thumbnail. YouTube video. No. Come here. You have no idea what I'm talking about. We are quarantined in Bogota, so we can't leave the city, except if you're going home. That's it. So we're supposed to stay in the hostel. Like, that's the thing. We're supposed to stay in the hostel, and that's it.